Hi, ever wondered how to make your drums sound warmer? If so, stick around, because in this video we'll show you the technique from our latest blog article that shows exactly that. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Many drummers want from their drums to sound rich and resonant, which is frequently sought after in high-quality recordings and may be accomplished by employing effective audio processing. First, we will group all of the drums except for the kick drum, and then we will apply saturation to that group track. The first plugin we will use is the one from Waves, TG12345. It is an emulation of an analog console, and it does have the dynamics processing, EQ, and the drive button, which is what gives us that saturation. As you can see, we've added some EQ boosting the trebles, attenuating the mids, applied some dynamics, and then, of course, added the drive. This really polished the harsh high frequencies. After that, we applied more saturation in the form of the T-Rex plugin Saturator X. We selected the push-pull style of saturation and made sure that the input and output are set appropriately so that a proper amount of saturation is being added. This really brought out the mid frequencies. Now let's hear the result of all this processing.